actually mean it. Thanks to Andy too, Kaz. Oh, I was getting a boner to hear that song, and now it's not gonna happen.
I was just teasing Deco.
Why do you guys tease me so? All my banter here is very inappropriate for some of the youngins here.
They wait for the beat, that's with the beat, the obsolete. Cause the bands in the street, we'll be good up on your feet. We roll in 10 deep. Start the finish till you know that we'll stay. Roll in 10 deep. With the dictated, every line with the not there. Roll in 10 deep. You start the finish till you know that we'll stay. Roll in 10 deep. With the dictated, one day done written on the tool, but the father did the father. It's not one gone with the wisdom of the truth. What if I get the truth and the jump on the roof? Didn't change normal, like I'm my friends. I'm so positive like it all ends with the energy. We all gonna make the fact that the raptors over the crowd. We rolled into ND. Start the finish till you know that we'll stay. Rolled into ND. We're dedicated, every line, every dance, and rolling 10 Start the finish till you know that we'll stay. Rolling 10 We're dedicated. Wrote that 5 minutes ago by a Wendy's dumpster.
No, in your hand, dude, right there. Yeah, I'll take a shot of that.
Look at that. Is this a Kevin Dubrow trick from Quiet Riot, where it's really just iced tea and this was all set up to make him look rock and roll and badass? It is apple juice. The best of kinds. Thank you guys for hanging, man. And there are some phenomenal bands on the way too. I know it's a long day, but please stick around for them. They've all busted ass to be here for you. Rehearsing, lugging gear, blood, sweat, tears.